Hey, do you know what one of the most important parts of running a successful business is? Well, it's having a great marketing plan. You can have the most amazing products and services, but if nobody knows about it, you're not going to make any sales. And with technology and social media changing ever so often, we always need to be innovating and creating new strategies to have our followers become actual paying clients. With that being said, I've created a program that will help you through this process in a very methodized way, and I take you step by step and hold your hand through the process. You'll get 10 live strategy sessions with me weekly. You also will get videos, templates, and guides to show you how to create each component of your marketing plan. At this end of this process, you will have your marketing plan, you will be getting more sales, more followers, and you will not have that level of stress of like, what do I do? What do I need to post? What, all of those what's. Because we will work together so that you have a clearly concise plan and you will just be able to focus on your clients and your strategies. Our program is starting on January 13th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3 p.m. Pacific. I can't wait to work with you. See you soon.